Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Our story this week is Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack and his mum had a cow. Each day, Jack took a jug of cow's milk to the market. Moo! One day there was no milk. Let's sell the cow, said Jack's mum. Then we can get some food. Jack and the cow set off to the market. They met an old man. Is the old man. Will you sell me your cow? He asked. I'll pay you 5 beans. All right, said Jack. Here's the beans. When we got home, Jack's mum threw the beans away. Oh, Jack, cried Mum. What use are beans? The next day, one bean had grown into a huge beanstalk. Jack climbed up it. At the top, he saw a giantess. You look hungry, she said. I will bake some bread. But then, fee, fi, fo. Can I smell a boy? It's the giant. Quick, hide, said the giantess. The giant had lots of gold coins. He started to count them. The giant fell asleep. Jack crept out of the chest and grabbed 3 gold coins. Then he ran away. The next day, Jack climbed up the beanstalk again. You look hungry, said the giantess. I will cook a pie. But then, fee, fi, fo, fum. Can I smell a boy? It's the giant. Quick, hide, said the giantess. The giant had a hen. She laid golden eggs. The giant fell asleep. Jack crept out of the pot and grabbed the hen. Then he ran home. The next day, Jack climbed up the beanstalk for the 3rd time. You look hungry, said the giantess. I will make a cake. But then, fee, fi, fo, fum. Can I smell a boy? It's the giant. Quick, hide, said the giantess. The giant had a golden harp. He started to play it. Then he fell asleep. Jack crept out of the box and grabbed the harp. Ploink. Zzz. The giant is asleep. The giant woke up. Come back, he shouted. Jack ran down the beanstalk. The giant followed him. But Jack's mum stood at the bottom with an axe. She chopped down the beanstalk. So that was the end of the beanstalk, and Jack and his mum had all the food they needed. The end. Hope you enjoy that book.
Hi everyone! One of the things that you can do this week with the story is you can draw a different kind of story map. So instead of an S, this time I've drawn a picture for every word in the story. So we're going to read my story together. Jack and the Beanstalk. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Jack, and as a connective, so I've joined a connective, he lived with his mum. One day, his mum said, go to town and sell the cow. This is a full stop to help me remember. Jack went to town and he saw an old man. I will buy your cow, said the old man, and I will give you some beans. So Jack took the beans and sold the cow. His mum was angry, so she threw the beans out of the window. At night time, the beans grew up into a tall beanstalk. Tall is an adjective, so I put it in blue. In the morning, Jack climbed up the green beanstalk. When he got to the top, he saw a castle. The next page. He quietly went in and stole a golden egg. But the giant saw him and chased him down the beanstalk. "Fee, fi, fo, fum," he shouted. As the giant shouted, Jack quickly ran fast and cut the beanstalk down. The giant fell down onto the floor, and Jack lived happily ever after. See if you can draw your own story map using a different picture for every word.